And that was
It's over here, the hat.
okay. And so that's
I have another one.
what it was because that bleed, they didn't ever explain that to us. Or if they did, we didn't
He's got no hands.
comprehend
Where's
that.
your hands? They're all the way in here.
What
They're
did
like,
you do?
oh, his hands are like so far up in his
Oh,
shirt.
yeah.
He's taking his clothes off. I like not these clothes.
He likes his hands to be free.
He's saying, leave me alone. I was just comfortable. And you guys doing
His head is just perfectly formed, isn't it? And his little face. It's not like a squash cone head kid.
I know. I was really
He's not
excited.
unfortunate looking.
Those giant feet.
He doesn't have to wear a helmet.
Like Brad Bixler.
Not a helmet.
He was one of the ugliest babies I'd ever seen in my entire life. He had a grown-up nose on his head.
Look at those, they're huge.